Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing a game called Broken Bones 3. I just made it to level 4. What? I thought I was on level 2, bro. I'm now on level 4. This game is awesome, guys. If you play Roblox, definitely check out Broken Bones 3. So I'm going to just adjust that, and boom! My hair and my necklace came off. Ooh, I broke 34 bones. Nice. I broke 34 bones. And guys, I still only have 15 minutes to make videos. I'm sorry, I know. Boom! Overload. Ooh. I broke 17 bones thanks to that tree. Just respawning that current map. So guys, in the last few months, thanks to you guys, my channel has been doing better than expected. Thanks to you guys, I now have 7 subscribers, and I have 7 subscribers. A lot of people are liking my videos. Well, not too much, but enough for me. Oh god, that was horrible. And thanks to you guys, my channel's been doing pretty well. I'm satisfied with it. And guys, I want to thank all of you for subscribing and liking my videos so much, cause I am still a small YouTube channel. I'm working my way up to the top. All thanks to you guys who watch videos. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope to be able to make more videos in the future for you guys. Make my YouTube channel even better. Wow. I broke 129 bones that time. Nice. Boom. Overload. I hit the. Oh! I broke 12 bones. So guys, in the next video, I will try to do something. So, but it's not going to be gaming. It's not going to be gaming. It's just going to be something different in the next video. So this video may be shorter than usual. So yeah, this video, I might just put this video at 5 or 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna do it 5 minutes of this video. So yeah, I'm gonna do 5 minutes. So sorry about the 5 minutes, guys. But in this video, I'm just talking about how much you are appreciating my YouTube channel, and how much I appreciate you guys for all my videos and likes. So, and I'm playing the game so you won't get too bored while I'm talking, to entertain you guys a little bit. So yeah, so thank you guys a lot for like the viewers on my last video, and oh my god, I broke 206 bones. And thank you for the views on my first video, second video, and my third video with the BB-8 review, my first YouTube video, and the Hungry Duck review that me and my uncle made while I was at his house. Thank you guys a lot. So I might just end this video here, and guys, if you want to see like more of my videos, like way better, like better quality and more time, try to make more likes and like my video more, all that stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you appreciated what I said, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, in the next video, which is about to be in a few hours or a little bit. See you later. Bye bye.